you should basically you should be buying every single shitcoin on the market as quickly as possible. Is that what you guys heard this week? Santiago, I'll start with you, sir.
I was hoping you didn't pick on me. I don't think he explicitly said to buy all the shitcoin, but I do think it was, I guess, positive for risk on assets. I think you saw a very clear response in the market after the dip. Bitcoin and everything else rallied shortly after that, after pretty tough 2 days. So everything's back to your initial question. Everything's back on track. I guess nothing really changes. So from my perspective, we are in a bull market. We have been since probably November of last year. You had a huge catalyst that was the ETF that most people or some people were discounting, that was priced in. People have tried to predict what is priced in the market. The Bitcoin ETF clearly wasn't priced in. The halvings historically haven't been priced in, even though everyone knows exactly when they're going to happen. But in every bull market, you have always 20, 30% drawdown and corrections, just because, people get over their skis. The thing to look at mostly, which you always talk about, Ryan, is open interest. Like what's the funding rate, and how much leverage is in the system. And so, when things get really hot, then things blow up. Now, your chart you're showing here is, I think, the most useful, which is things are back to kind of normal. When I say things are back on track, is you get a cleanse of all this leverage in the system, and then we resume.